I was raised in a family that really valued photography. My grandfather was a career Air Force fighter pilot and traveled around the world, so I grew up seeing all the photos that he would take. Look at the size of that lens. That sense of family, seeing all of these portraits and candids through the years, to me now as an adult are so precious. And to be able to give that to people in whatever form is just part of my heart. Sports really has been a key piece of my life growing up. As I had kids, they started playing sports. I coached. I became an administrator at a local, state, and national level. As a sports photographer, especially when we're doing the team and individual sports, I have a unique experience with basically every facet of the process. Coaches are notorious haters of picture day. So my goal is always, I'll tell them, hey, my job is to get these kids in and out, no waiting around. You can go right to practice. And they love it. They also love the fact that as far as the proofing and the sales, it's all online through Zenfolio. And that's such an easy thing. The parents go see their kids' pictures, they buy what they want. Prints are delivered directly to the parents, and coaches don't have to touch it. Administrators aren't dealing with packets of photos and trying to track people down. Speed and time and quality are of the utmost importance. Welcome to my mobile photography studio in Colorado with sports. Our weather is very, very unpredictable. And after so many times of having to reschedule due to weather, I thought, let's do things a little bit different. So as you can see, we have two stations. Station 1 is in the front, Station 2 is at the back. And what that does is allows us to function and run two teams at once, which is really great when we're doing big club sports, parks and recs, where we are photographing hundreds of kids in a really small amount of time. Zenfolio has given me the potential to grow, not just in the portrait, but in volume. The ability to have separate galleries, be able to password protect and lock those down, because I take the kids' safety and security of their images very, very seriously. Zenfolio backs that. Being able to get things uploaded quickly in mass. I can walk away from a shoot with 2,400 images that need to be processed and uploaded into individual galleries for the teams. The strides that Zenfolio has made over the years is outstanding. It still gives me the ability to have a beautiful front-end website and the sales platform and the CRM and the communications. And it has helped me really take my business to the next level and the next level. Anybody can come into my website, see an offering of what I have, and Zenfolio has just made it so easy for me to showcase my work and for people to really see what I can do and the range of what I do. And that's priceless. Being able to manage all the things on the backside of my business on the go from my phone, from a tablet, is crucial, because in volume work, you are on the go all the time. An additional feature that Zenfolio gives me is that I can see how my clients are ordering. And I will tell you, and it should be no surprise to anybody, anywhere from 50 to 60% of my clients are transacting on the phone. Having, obviously, my website be extremely good for mobile users is super important. As far as Zenfolio and the platform, it's taken all of that back-end selling and the clutter out of my day, out of my whole process. Once I'm done and those pictures are in that gallery, I'm off to something else. We all know time is money, and it has saved me so much time, which helps make me more money. It's been an integral part of my business for longer than I care to admit, but almost 20 years. I love that I'm giving people a moment in time. And it doesn't matter if it's a fun family session, if it's an athlete going up and catching that ball up top. It's a fraction of a second that will live forever. And that's what I love. I tell people all the time, it is legitimately the hardest job I have ever had, but I've never been happier in my life.